Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is monthly prediction of May 2025 for all the Libra Ascendant people. So, first of all, we will talk about Sun. For all the Libra Ascendant people, Sun controls your 11th house. And right now, Sun is transiting from your 7th house in the sign of Aries. Means Sun is present right now in its exalted position because Aries sign considered as the exalted sign for Sun. Sun will stay into your seventh house till 15th of May. After 15th of May, Sun will move from your seventh house to eighth house in the sign of Taurus. So 11th house deal with your gains. Your incoming gains are seen from 11th house. Your elder brothers and sisters, your friend circle, professional circle, all of these things are represented by 11th house. Your hopes and wishes and fulfillment hopes and wishes also seen from 11th house. So your 11th house lord is right now operating from your 7th house, but in its exalted position. Means Sun is right now present in its good position. If you are married right now, because from 7th house we see your marriage, your relationships in journal, your commitments, your legal bindings, your agreemented things, how you will meet others, how others perceive you when you will meet others. Your fame is somehow also seen from 7th house. Your spouse, your marriage partner, your business partner, etc. If you are a business person, then we can expect definitely you will have a great influx of money in the month of May. Your business will expand in the month of May because Sun, your seventh house is right now in a strong position, and Sun creates a situation like that. If you are doing some business or your work is somehow related to public dealing, then we can expect you will have great result regarding money related matter in the month of May. If you are married right now, then your marriage related matter will be going good. But just you need to be take care of your ego related matter because there are chances your ego will be high in the month of May due to especially till 15th of May due to presence of Sun in its exalted position. Try to avoid argumentative communication with your spouse and business partnership if you have any business partnership because Sun generally represent ego, so your ego will be high. You will have good result, but try to control your ego in the month of May. After 15th of May, when Sun will move from your seventh house to eighth house, then we can expect unexpectedly you will have good great result regarding your gains related matter. Your hopes and wishes somehow suddenly will come true in the month of May. Some of your hopes and wishes because your 11th house of gains lord will be moving in the house of unexpected gains because 8th house will be your longevity, your chronic diseases, your ups and downs in life, your gains in life is seen from 11th house, your in-laws related matter, your spouse's family also seen from 8th house. Your hidden things, secretive activities, your sexual organ, sexual relationship, sexual activities, all of these things are represented by 8th house. So we can expect these results from Sun for all the Libra ascendant people. Mercury controls your 12th house and your 9th house, and right now Mercury is transiting from your 6th house in the sign of Pisces. There are a lot of planets are right now present in the sign of Pisces, like Venus, Mercury, Saturn, and Rahu. But Mercury will change two signs in the month of May. Mercury will move from your sixth house to your seventh house around 6th May 2025, and from seventh house to eighth house around 24th of May 2025. But major portion of this prediction, Mercury will be stay into your seventh house in the sign of Aries. So 12th house deal with your losses, your expenses, your isolations, your foreign settlement related matter, your long-term investment, your spirituality related matter, space, dreams, isolation, hospitalization, paranormal activities. All of these things are represented by 12th house. Ghosts are also seen from 12th house. Ghostic activity. 9th house deal with your teachers, mentor, guider, advisor, your long distance travel, your religious matter, religious inclination, your luck related matter, your teachers, mentor, guider, advisor, your teachings, your knowledge, your wisdom is represented by ninth house. So your ninth house and 12th house. One thing is very important to mention in the section of Mercury is that Ketu is about to move from the sign of Mercury, means from your 12th house to your 11th house in the month of May around 19th May 2025. We will cover the separate video of Rahu Ketu transit, but here right now we are discussing about Ketu because Ketu is right now moving in the sign of Mercury. So when Ketu will move from the sign of Mercury around 19th May, after that you will feel the difference in the result of Mercury because Ketu somehow considered as a naturally malefic planet in astrology in today's world. So you were facing some difficulties due to presence of Ketu and due to result of the Mercury previously from 18 months. But now Ketu is about to move from the sign of Mercury, so you will have the great result regarding your personality related matter, regarding your relationships, regarding your business related matter as well. If you are trying to travel somewhere, then you will definitely get a chance to travel somewhere, but after some months when Ketu will move after 19th May from your 12th house to 11th house. So result of Rahu Ketu will be effective after some month, because these are the long duration planets. These planets change sign after a 18th month. So from Mercury you will get good result, especially after 19th May 2025. Venus controls your 8th house and your first house. Venus is very important planet for you people, because Venus is your ascendant lord. And right now, Venus is as well transiting from your sixth house in the sign of Aries. Means Venus is present in its exalted position, in its good position into your sixth house. And Venus will stay into your sixth house till the whole month of May, is till the end of the May. Around 31st of May, Venus will move from your sixth house to your seventh house. But major portion of this prediction, Venus will be stay into your sixth house in the sign of Aries. So Venus is right now present in its good position, in its strong position, and also is your ascendant lord. So your ascendant lord and eighth house lord is right now transiting from your sixth house. One thing is very important to mention here is that one naturally malefic house lord is transiting from another naturally malefic house. So negative always cancels each other out. So this will prove a positive situation for you people, because sixth house deal with the court case, litigation, argument, fights, daily routine in context of work, your loans, your debt, your strength to withstand all the difficulties into your life, your health, acute diseases, etc. First of all, Venus is your ascendant lord, so Venus will work into your favor. So Venus in your sixth house will create a good position if you are dealing with some court case, litigation, argument into your life, or if you are in debt right now, you will be able to pay your loans back, because Venus will give you strength to withstand all the difficulty. And somehow, if you are dealing with some court cases, some competitive exams, or you are dealing with such thing into your life like hidden enemies during, so in all of these matter, you will have victory in the month of May, because your enemy and your enemies will feel defeated, your enemies will be humiliated in the month of May due to presence of eighth house lord into your sixth house. Moon controls your 10th house, and right now moon is present into your ninth house in the sign of Gemini. The positions of planets you're watching on whiteboard set according to 1st May 2025, because Moon is a very fast moving planet. Moon changes sign in 2.5 days. If we try to predict Moon in a single video for every house, then video will get too lengthy and it will be very difficult for us to describe the result of Moon for every house. But here we will try to make you understand how can you judge your moon transit in your monthly transit chart. So first of all, whenever moon is transiting from 6th, 8th and 12th house, during these days we can expect you may have some type of issues, problem and difficulties into your life, because these houses considered as a naturally malefic house in astrology. Somehow problem, issues and difficulties are always associated with these houses. And moon is a very sensitive and delicate planet. Moon get influenced very easily, either it is a positive thing or negative thing. Second important thing to judge moon transit is that whenever moon is transiting near any naturally malefic planet from any house in transit, during these days you can also expect you may have some type of issues, problem and difficulties in your. And naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu and Mars. So that's the easiest way to judge moon transit. Mars controls your seventh house and your second house, and right now Mars is transiting from your 10th house in the sign of Cancer sign, considered as a debilitation sign for Mars. Means Mars is right now in a weak position, and Mars is right now present in its weak position. So seventh house, as we discussed previously in the section, seventh house will be your marriage, your relationship, your business, your fame, etc. And second house will be your speech, your food intake habits, your family related matter, your savings, your money matter, your bank account, your food intake habits. All of these things are represented by second house. So regarding all of these matter, you need to be very careful at your workplace. You may face some aggression at your workplace from your superior or bosses, or may face some harmful activity at your workplace, disturbing activity at your workplace. So you need to be very careful when you're dealing with your superior, bosses and co-worker in the month of May, because your 10th house is right now in its weak position and also controlling your second house of speech. So there are chances you may face some aggressive matter at your workplace. Try to stay away from the aggressiveness and argumentation with your superior in the month of May. So we can expect these results for all the Libra ascendant people in the month of May. Our today's video monthly prediction of May 2025 for all the Libra ascendant ends here. I hope you will like this video, and this video will prove very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.